Hello, my name is Justin. I'm over here at Advanced CDL Driving Academy, located in Brooklyn, Baltimore, and we're going to be working on upshifting and downshifting with a manual transmission. We're going to have to double clutch, and we're also going to talk about what to do if you miss a gear. So first thing I'm going to do is when your vehicle is at a complete stop, you push the clutch all the way to the floor, and then you put it into a gear you'd like to start off in. Sometimes if it doesn't go into gear right away, all you have to do is lift off the clutch a little bit and it'll pop in. Your clutch is going to be operated with your left foot. Your right foot will operate the gas pedal and the brake pedal. You want to let off the clutch nice and slow. Right here, we can feel the truck engage. It grabs on and it's ready to start rolling forward. You feel the truck engage, then you let off the brake nice and slowly. Let off the clutch the rest of the way and we can start to give it some gas. Now, in order to do our upshift, we're in second gear right now. If I want to go from second gear to third gear, I need to watch my RPMs. My RPMs need to get to 15. Right now they're sitting at the 10. So I'm going to give it a little bit of gas, get my RPMs up to 10 or to 15. Now that they're at 15, I'm going to clutch in with my left foot. I'm going to pull out and go into neutral. I will let my foot off the clutch and go back down onto the clutch. When I do this, I only need to push the clutch in a little bit. You do not want to push the clutch to the floor. My RPMs, get them set and ready at 15 RPMs. Right about now, we're going to clutch, neutral, off the clutch, on the clutch, and into my next gear, the higher gear. And that's how we double clutch. We are in third gear now. When you do this, you just want to push in the clutch with your left foot just a little bit. You do not have to push it a lot. You do not want to have the truck all the way, the clutch all the way to the floor. So if I want to go from my third gear to my fourth gear, it is the same thing. Whenever you upshift, you want to upshift at 15 RPMs. Get my RPMs up to 15 and shift. As soon as my stick goes into neutral, I let off the clutch and I go right back onto the clutch. There should be no time wasted in between. You can be very quick, on and off and on, back and forth. You do not have to take your time. You want to try to upshift rather quickly. When we do the downshifting, I'm in fourth gear right now. If I want to go from fourth gear to third gear, I would want to clutch, neutral, bump the gas, off the clutch, on the clutch, into my next gear. So it's going to go like this. It's the same process, except you have to add one more step, and that's bumping the gas. When you hit the gas pedal, do not be afraid. You don't want to hold the gas pedal, you want to bump it one good time. So I'm in fourth gear. I would like to go down to my third gear. I need to watch my RPMs. They are at the 10. Clutch, neutral, bump the gas, clutch. So it didn't pop into gear. If this happens, all you have to do is bump the gas and it'll pop in. Don't yank it. Don't be forceful with it. It'll pop into gear when it is ready. So I'm in third and I want to go down to second. Make sure my RPMs are at the 10. Clutch neutral, bump the gas, clutch into my lower gear. We are in second gear now. You want to repeat that process every time you downshift, and then when you upshift, repeat that process as well, except for bumping the gas. To upshift, get my RPMs up to 15 RPMs. Try not to shift while you're in a turn. Clutch neutral, off the clutch, on the clutch, into my next gear. We are in third gear. If I want to go down to second gear, from third to second, downshifting, clutch, neutral, off the clutch, bump the gas, on the clutch, into my lower gear.